In today's video, I will walk you through how to read BingX price charts. If you're new to crypto trading, looking at a BingX price chart can seem overwhelming. With all the candles, lines, and numbers, it's easy to wonder where to start. The good news is that once you understand a few basics, reading a price chart becomes much easier. First, open Bing's website and sign in to your account. Go to the Markets section and select the cryptocurrency you want to view, such as BTC to USDT. Once you open the trading pair, you'll see the price chart. This chart shows how the coin's price has changed over time and helps traders spot trends and potential trading opportunities. The default chart on BingX uses candlesticks, also called candles. Each candle represents the price movement during a specific time period, such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day depending on the time frame you've selected. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened during that period, showing buying pressure. A red candle means the price closed lower than it opened, indicating selling pressure. The thin lines above and below each candle, known as Wicks, show the highest and lowest prices reached during that time. The vertical axis on the right displays the current price of the cryptocurrency. The horizontal axis along the bottom shows the timeline, allowing you to see when each price movement occurred. You can also change the time frame to view short-term movements or longer-term trends. Shorter time frames are useful for active traders, while longer time frames provide a broader view of the market. By understanding candlesticks, the price axis, the timeline, and different chart timeframes, you'll have a much better foundation for analyzing the market before placing a trade. And that's how to read BingX price charts.